Amelia.
She's gonna fail.
I have 20 and they have 60, and Whitney has 69.
Plus a strike.
No, you have 59 plus a strike.
Oh,
is 69.
Oh, I thought you said, okay, never mind. I'll stop talking now. Don't lick the ball, that's gross, you cow. Breathing is vital for your surviving your life. Don't judge me, don't judge me. Just go already. Okay, I'll stop talking.
My God.
So you're saying I look funny now? Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying? Yeah, I thought so. I thought so. Oh, look at that. Okay, well then. Did you seriously just drop the ball? That's only your first try. Fail. I totally missed that. Wait, I can't see anything. It's too close. Why do we have so many, like, retards?